All right, guys, so we got this 2011 Chevy Camaro back in. It's got two-tone, as you guys can see. It's really cool in the sun. It's really nice. Got artwork on it. We did the BORLA Pro SS on it before. He brought it back and brought an X-pipe and wanted a resonator delete. So we did that. So it's got high flow cats there and there, a total of 4. Then he brought his own X-pipe. We put it on for him. And we took the resonators off that come in the middle right there. And there's the Pro S-type, or BORLA S-type mufflers we put on it there. And there, cat back system, axle back system. BORLA S-types. You can see the wrap on the other side too on the back. It's half and half. It's really cool. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2011 Camaro. Which half you like more? This half or this half, guys? Go ahead. Now you can hear the S-type more. Yeah, with the resonators on, you can barely hear it. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. Go ahead and back it up. There's that half. There's the other half on this side. I like it. It sounds clean. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Chevy Camaro 2011 V6 split down the middle. You can have this, the chameleon, or you can have the artwork. Which one do you guys choose? Let us know in the comments. Artwork or chameleon? X-pipe and BORLA S-type axle back.